How to work the TVs. Okay, each bedroom has its own set of remotes. So we are in the trout room right now. You've got one remote for all your apps, Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime. You would just use this and basically click on whatever button you need, and it'll take you to Netflix. You can sign in with your own account. Make sure you sign out when you leave. But super straightforward. If you wanted to go back to the cable, you go to input, and then you come down to the HDMI 1, and you're back to cable. And then you can use the cable remote, super simple. Push the guide button to go to the different channels, and then scroll up or down, select whatever channel you want, and you should be good to go. Please make sure the remotes stay in the proper rooms, because they're actually paired for the TV. These remotes won't work in other rooms, but these would be in the trout room, and we are currently in the trout room. All right, guys, have fun.